everybody. Welcome to English Fluency Center. Muhawe ikaze mwese kuri chaîne yitwa English Fluency Center. This is your English teacher, Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Muhawe ikaze kuri channel yitwa English Fluency Center. Muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu Dieu Uwingabiye mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I am going to teach you English speaking basics. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha iby'ibanze byagufasha kuvuga mu Cyongereza. I'm going to teach you all the phrases that you will need in your speaking every day. Ngiye kubabwira interuro wakoresha mu gihe uvuga buri munsi. Let's get started. Mureke tujye mbere. I am good at. I'm good at. Bisobanuye ngo nkora neza ikintu. I am good at teaching. Nigisha neza. I'm good at cleaning. Nkora isuku neza. I am good at washing. Mfura neza. I'm good at photographing. Fotora neza. I'm good at driving. Ntwara imodoka neza. I'm good at drawing. Shushanya neza. Number 2, ya kabiri. Used to. Used to ikoreshwa kuvuga ikintu wakoraga utagikora. Wakoraga mu gihe cyahise utagikora ubu ngubu. You can say, I used to drink beer. Bivuga ngo najyaga nywa inzoga mba ntakizinywa. I used to smoke. Najyaga ntumura itabi. I used to play football. Najyaga nkina umupira w'amaguru. I used to swim. Najyaga noga. I used to ikurikirwa n'igikorwa kidafite ing. Ariko iyo uvuze ngo I'm used to, uvuze ibyo umenyereye. Example, I'm used to teaching. Menyereye kwigisha. I'm used to traveling. Menyereye gutembera. I'm used to singing. Menyereye kuririmba. I'm used to watching movies. Menyereye kureba filime. You can also use nouns instead of activities. Ushobora no gukoresha amazina mu cyimbo cy'ibikorwa. I am used to music. Menyereye imiziki. I'm used to videos. Menyereye filime. I am used to songs. Menyereye indirimbo. I'm used to YouTube. Menyereye YouTube.